Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're just going to do a little bit of like a makeup transformation and I hope you like the video. I'm gonna start off with doing the eyeshadow. I have this really pretty eyeshadow quad. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Dolce Vita palette. It's just a really pretty palette. It has like these, I don't know, like warm tone colors. They're just really a very pretty look. So this is the eyeshadow palette we're going to be using for this look. To start off the look,
I pull up on the block in a big Corvette, yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we with all that, yeah. Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette, yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we with all that,
The sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. Cause when you're around I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do. Ooh, and from the fields of flowers you chose to pick me. You're spreading sugar on my misery, and I don't fake a
I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your grip tonight? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. You think you're too far, but I'm